Hi, this is Willie with Shama Sandals, and today I will be helping you update your Trailstars to the new forefoot strap and heel strap system. It's a tension lock instead of the old Velcro and hook and loop. You'll see in just a moment when we update it to the new tension lock. So to get started, you just undo the hook and loop and you start working it back through the system. If you're having a hard time getting these anchors out, you take your needle nose pliers and you work them through the top in between these straps just to get it started. Then you can get a hold of it and pull it through. Work the anchor off over the Velcro. Okay. And then here again, just keep pulling it through the slot. And another anchor, push through the top in between the straps. Work the strap through the slot. Take the next anchor off. Work the strap through the slot. One more anchor. Okay, there you go. There's the old one out. Okay, and then here we go. There's two ways to do this heel strap. And there's a hard way and there's an easy way. So I'll show you the hard way first, and then I'll show you the easy way. So if you work the plug back down through the bottom of the sandal, get it sticking out as far as you can. You take your pliers and you work them through the top of the plug. Try to grab a hold of the base of the plug and pull it through the slot. There we go. That was the hard way. Okay, the easy way is to take some scissors and you just cut it out. Depends on if you want them or not. Okay. Now we need to put the new heel strap into the Trailstar. Okay. So the old system has this uniloop right here. The new one has this fancy buckle on it. Okay. So this was a little more complex, but it works just about the same way. So we're going to put the new updated system into the sandal. Sort of like the way we pulled it out, kind of the opposite. Okay, we're going to stick the pliers in from the bottom out the top. We're going to grab the heel strap just barely past the neck of the plug, and then we're going to take the narrowest part of this oval and pull it into the slot. Okay, once it starts going, get it started. Okay, then you're going to take your sandal and bend it and pull as best you can. Oop, that kind of slipped. It's a hard test, so we'll try that again. Get a hold of it, pull and bend, and you can even keep prying until it comes through. There we go, pop through. Okay, then you're gonna seat it. And this part's easy if you set it up right. So the heel strap needs to have the logo facing up and towards the back. Okay, that's how you know you did it right. And it'll go into this nice little uniloop here. All right, now we can put on our new forefoot strap. Okay, you'll notice on the forefoot strap there's a fold, right? You don't want that fold to be touching your big toe, so you want to face it away from your big toe. So when you pull it through the first slot in the middle, just make sure that fold is away from your big toe. So I'll pull it through, seat it. Sometimes you got to wiggle the sandal a little bit to get it in there. Okay. And now the fold is away from my big toe. It's nice and smooth where my toe goes. All right, now we're going to create the toe loop on the sandal. So we're going to go into this slot here. Try to keep it from twisting around. You want to keep it flat. Okay, and we're going to imagine our toe is already in there. Okay, somewhere about there. Then I stop and I put my first anchor on. I like to set it totally flat across so that I know the correct side is to have the little bar up and the little dust shield on the bottom. Okay, and I slide it all the way across like this to the sandal. Okay, now I can take the end of the strap and pull it up through the same exact slot I just went into, but this time with the anchor in place, and it will lock. Okay, all right, so I feel like I made the toe loop too big, so I'm going to tighten it a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to jump across. This is going to go over the foot. So I want to imagine my foot is there. Pull until I feel like that's what my foot might look like, something like that. Okay, now we put on another anchor and I do the same thing. I keep it flat so I can see that I can put this little bar on top and the dust shield down. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing, pull it up through the same exact slot, but this time with the anchor in place. All right, there we go. The front is now handled, and we need to put it in, it's sort of a Z-strap positioning, so it's going to go this way to the uniloop first, and then fold over itself the same way. So we want it to be as flat as possible. We don't want twists and turns. So like that, and then like this. All right, and then we're going to go through the buckle here. This is the tension lock buckle. This is what's going to lock it in place. So once up through here, and then down through the other side. That's the other side. And this one can be a little tight, so it might take some doing, but you can do it. Just work it in there. It'll go. It's even easier with pliers if you grab it with pliers, but I'm just trying to show all you need to do is grab it with your hand. And there you go. Now you have this tag end that you can snip whenever you need to fit your foot perfectly. Okay, we want to always adjust the Trailstar to your foot, not your foot to the Trailstar. Well, I hope you found that helpful. And if you need any extra help, just contact customer service at contact@shamansandals.com. And I hope you have a good time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.